Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today my topic is My Greatest Olympic Prize by Jesse Owens. Let me tell you something about the author Jesse Owens. Okay, Jesse Owens, the son of sharecropper and grandson of a slave, achieved what no Olympian before him had accomplished. His stunning achievement of 4 gold medals at the 1936 Olympic Games in Berlin has made him best remembered athlete in Olympic history. Now he became the best remembered athlete in Olympic history. Okay, now let's start from here. Okay, it was the summer of 1936. Clear? It was the summer of 1936. The Olympic Games were being held in Berlin. Okay, it was about Berlin Olympic Games. Berlin, the capital of Germany. Because Hitler childishly insisted that his performers were members of master race, and Hitler believed that his performers were a member of master race. Master race means superior than everyone. Nationalistic feelings were at all time high, and every time nationalistic feelings were high. Okay, nationalistic feelings is love for nation. I was not too worried. Now, who is this I referred here? I is referred to the narrator of the story, Jesse Owens. He wasn't worried. Okay, he had trained himself, sweated, and disciplined for 6 years. Okay, 6 years he practiced to take part in this Berlin Olympics. Okay, while I was going over on the boat, while he was on the boat, he was thinking about taking home 1 or 2 of the gold medals. I had my eye especially on the running broad jump, and he had his eye especially on running broad jump. A year before, as a sophomore at Ohio State University. Now, year before at sophomore at Ohio State University, I had set the world's record. Okay, he set the world record of 26 feet 8 1/4 inches. Everyone kind of expected me to win that Olympic event. Now, everyone expected to win that Olympic event hands down. I was in for surprise. Now, Jesse Owens was in surprise when the time came for broad jump trials. Okay, when he was in surprise when the time came for broad jump trials. I was startled to see a tall boy hitting the pit. Now he was startled. Startled means surprised. Okay, he was startled to see a tall boy hitting the pit at almost 26 feet on his practice lips. He turned out to be a German named Lutz Long. Now, who was he? He was a German named Lutz Long. I was told that Hitler had kept him under wraps. Now, Jesse was told that Hitler had kept him under wraps. Hitler had kept him under wraps means Hitler kept him hidden, evidently hoping to win the jump with him. I guessed that if Long won, okay, now he started guessing that if Long won, it would add some new support to the Nazis' Aryan superiority theory. After all, I am a Negro. Now, Jesse Owens was a Negro. Negro means native to Africa. Okay, a little hot under the collar about Hitler's way. I determined to go out there. Now, he was determined to go out there and really show Der Führer. Der Führer is the political title given to Hitler and his master race, who was superior and who was not. An angry athlete is an athlete who will make mistake. Okay, an angry athlete is an athlete who will make mistake, as any coach will tell you. I was no exception. Now, Jesse Owens was no exception. On the first of my 3 qualifying jumps, okay, on the first of his 3 qualifying jumps, I fouled even worse. He fouled worse. Now he started thinking, did I come 3,000 miles for this? Okay, did I come 3,000 miles for this? I thought bitterly to foul out of the trials and make a fool of myself. Now he started thinking that did I come to make fool of myself? Okay, until this much. In my next video, I will continue with the next page. That is page number 105. Clear? Until then, goodbye.